There are two methods for grounding a delta Y 480/208 volts transformer that feeds a lighting panel. The first example involves running the grounding electrode conductor directly to the X0 connection of the transformer and connecting it to the grounding conductor and the bonding jumper. The second example involves lugging and bolting the grounding electrode conductor, bonding jumper, and grounding conductor to the metal housing of the transformer. Considering the first example, advantages include providing a dedicated connection point for the grounding electrode conductor, bonding jumper, and grounding conductor. This reduces the risk of loose connections or accidental disconnects and helps maintain a proper grounding system for the electrical installation. Disadvantages of the first example may include requiring additional wiring and materials and potentially being more time-consuming to install. Considering the second example, advantages include being simpler and faster to install and requiring fewer materials. Disadvantages of the second example include relying on the transformer's metal housing to provide a sufficient grounding path and potentially not providing as reliable or robust grounding as using a dedicated connection point. According to the National Electrical Code, the grounding electrode conductor, bonding jumper, and grounding conductor must be connected to a grounding electrode or to an approved grounding connection point in the transformer. The National Electrical Code specifically states that for delta Y transformers, the grounding electrode conductor must be connected to the X0 terminal of the transformer, as per National Electrical Code section 250.61c. While the second example may meet the minimum National Electrical Code requirements, the first example provides a more robust and reliable grounding system. It is the recommended practice to connect the grounding electrode conductor, bonding jumper, and grounding conductor to the X0 connection of the transformer in most cases. However, there may be certain circumstances where the second example could be acceptable. For example, if the transformer is installed in a location where the grounding electrode conductor is already adequately connected to the transformer's metal housing, then lugging the conductors directly to the housing may be sufficient. It is important to consult with a qualified electrician to determine the best installation method for the specific circumstances of the project.